Today, I'm taking you to the biggest market in West Africa. In case you are new here, welcome to my channel and enjoy yourself. I am doing this video with a wonderful drone pilot called 𝗟𝗪𝗧𝗏 Ghana, and you can find him on Instagram and YouTube. We are currently in Kumasi in the popularly known 𝗪𝗪𝗘𝗧𝗏 market, which is known for being big, very busy, and beautiful because of its architecture and ambience. And that's what we are going to show you today, during the day and during the night. So now, I and 𝗟𝗪𝗧𝗏 are done showing you a glimpse of the outdoor market. And we had to use a drone to show you how vast and busy this market can be. Now we are taking you inside. That's the indoor part of the market. And this indoor part alone is very popular and is popularly known to be the biggest indoor market in West Africa and maybe Africa. In this market, you can get everything you need. Yes, I said everything you need, ranging from clothing, jewelry, perfume, foodstuff, tech devices, fabrics, and a whole lot of stuff. So when you come here, just get your money and energy to explore this market, as you can see that it is very vast. By the way, I'm requesting for your vote for my first ever nomination by the YouTube Creator Festival 2022. And this is how you vote. It's actually free. You go on Google, you type YouTube Creator Festival poll vote. Then you click on the first one, YouTube Creator Awards. It's actually happening in Ghana. Then you wait and then a page like this will appear. So you just scroll down. I've been nominated under the Real Estate Creator of the Year. So you scroll down, down. We're almost there, down. And yes, so the YT creator, and you click on withsephy. Then you now scroll down to click on votes, and that's basically it. You are done, and it's free. Thank you very much. So how much? 4 cedis. 12. Then the other one is 10. This one is 10. Ooh, this how much? Careful. Let me see. This how much? Which one will you take? I'm going to confuse you. The price is 20 cedis. Yes, what's the price? Then this one is 15. Then this one is 15. This is very nice. How much is last for this one? Sorry? Last.
It's a wholesale price. Ask around. You will get some, but you will get something nicer like this one.
So this is where we end the video, and I would like to know what you think of this big, busy and beautiful market. In case you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do so by clicking the red button down and the notification bell so that every time I post a video you can see it. And remember to also subscribe on 𝗍𝗪𝗧𝗪's channel and follow him on IG. See you next time. Bye.